The F2 air code on a Kenmore oven indicates a defective temperature sensor, which is the most common cause of this issue. To resolve the problem, the temperature sensor needs to be replaced. This can be done by first unplugging the oven and pulling the range away from the wall. Next, the oven door should be opened, and the door lock hinges unclamped, allowing the door to be lifted and removed. The racks should then be slid out, and the temperature sensor, located at the rear wall, can be accessed. The sensor's mounting screws should be unthreaded, and the oven's rear panel removed. The sensor's wire harness can then be disconnected, and the old sensor removed. A new sensor can be connected to the wire harness, pushed through the rear wall, and secured using the mounting screws. Finally, the racks can be slid back in, the oven door reattached to its hinges, and the mounting pins clasped. The rear panel can be replaced, the oven plugged back in, and the F2 air code checked to ensure the issue has been resolved.